As previously discussed, CO is a byproduct of incomplete combustion, and at certain quantities can be extremely hazardous to your health. It can even result in death if we get to extremely high levels. It's really important when you're working in this industry as a heating engineer to protect yourself against those dangers of CO exposure. The best way to do this is with a personal CO alarm monitor. These small devices clip onto your shirt near your breathing area, and they'll give you an audible, visual and vibrating alert if ever a certain CO threshold is breached. It keeps you safe. You're working in environments where CO can and is present. Some of the environments you work in are classed as confined spaces. So you might be in a basement, you might be in a loft. These areas traditionally don't have good ventilation. So if there is a crack in the flue, if there is a buildup of CO because the boiler isn't running efficiently or properly, or there is some kind of problem, it's going to collect in that area. And the lack of ventilation means it's not going to diminish. If anything, the CO level will build and build and build. It's odorless, it's tasteless. You don't know it's there when you walk into that space, and you can become overcome very quickly. So it's critically important to protect yourself with a personal CO monitor.